arbitrationagreements.org. Imagine being in a situation where you are seeking resolution. You might be tempted to think about heading straight to the courtroom. But wait, did you know that mediation can be a much swifter route? Statistically speaking, most mediations resolve in just 1 to 3 sessions, and each session typically lasts a couple of hours. Compare this to court litigation, where cases can drag on for months or even years. According to the National Center for State Courts, the median length for a civil trial is about 24 months. That's a whopping 730 days, folks. Some cases take even longer. But time is not the only advantage. Mediation offers a confidential, collaborative, and often more amicable environment. It empowers the parties involved to have a say in the resolution. It's less adversarial. The focus is on mutual agreement and understanding rather than declaring a winner and a loser. It's essential to note that every situation is unique. The complexity of the issue at hand, the willingness of the parties to cooperate, and the skills of the mediator can all influence the duration of the mediation process. But even with these variables, mediation still tends to be a lot faster than the courtroom alternative. The next time you find yourself in a conflict and wonder about the best resolution route, remember this: mediation not only saves time and money, but also fosters understanding and collaboration. It's a win-win for everyone involved. If you want to learn more information about mediation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you are interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think about mediation? Does it seem like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.